Right, huh? Yes, again.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So ang ganap today, we're going to Lusail Shooting Camp para matutong bumaril. 'Di ba? Self-defense. On the way na kami papunta sa Lusail Shooting Camp. Nag-Uber lang kami, so i-type nyo lang if gusto nyong pumunta. Lusail Shooting Camp. Yun. Nasa mga 30 reals yung pamasahe. Medyo malayo kasi siya eh.
I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Oh no, oh. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. All around in my hometown, they trying to track me down. Yeah. They say they want to bring me in guilty for the killing of a deputy, for the life of a deputy. Well, I say, oh, now, now, oh, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it wasn't self-defense. No, no. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I said I shot the sheriff. Oh Lord, and they say there's a capital offense. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah.
Hi guys! So ayan, nandito na kami sa shooting camp. Malaki siya. Malaki. So, ito-tour namin kayo sa loob. Si Ems natatakot na, sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi medyo malayo siya sa city. Mga siguro 20 minutes, no? From the city. More than 20 minutes. So, yan. Takot siya. Sabi ko, pag akong kasama mo, akong bahala. As if naman ang laki kong tao. Okay, so ayan guys. Yan guys. Maglalakad na kami.
Guys, so hindi namin alam kung saan kami
Dito
pupunta
tayo.
guys. Saan po yan po kami naghahanap, marami po pala to. Dapat sa susunod,
Umaga
mag-google. Hindi, search muna tayo para alam natin kung ano yung mga pupuntahan natin.
Hindi kasi
Katulad ng
biglaan
kuya.
naman kasi to.
Ano daw gagamitin natin? Short or daw long? Bumalay namin, basta alam naman, babaril.
Basta pumuputok.
Basta
Hindi kasi
pumuputok.
per
So, ibig sabihin,
building.
meron talagang pang short, meron talagang pang ano lang. maliit lang baril.
Meron silang air gun, rifle, iba-iba. So, yan.
So, bago
kayo-
may 45.
Walang 45 daw dito.
Ano,
shotgun
ano yung
lang.
short? Ano yung short gun?
Water gun. Ayan, malapit na kami. Kuya, hi kayo sa vlog ko, kuya. Hello. Taga-saan kayo? Taga-saan kayo?
Dito?
Hindi, sa Pilipinas.
Nasa ako ng ulo, Balita.
Ikaw kuya. Quezon, hello po. Yan, may mga bago kami nakilala. Mga magagaling sila magbaril. Kami first time.
Reflexes are the better of me. And what is to be must be. Every
So, naririnig nyo po yan. Yun na po yung mga
aware,
tunog ng baril.
bottom of the dropout,
Ayan, papasok na po kami guys.
bottom of the dropout. I say, I shot the sheriff. Lord, I didn't shot the deputy. Yeah, I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy.
So, are you ready to shoot now?
Ready
Yan po ang kanyang sasagupain. Itatapon nila yung bola, yun ang mahulin mo. So, anong feeling ng...
Kinakabahan ako kasi first time. Tapos nakakahiya kasi dapat may practice man lang, di ba? Tapos maraming nanonood. Maraming nanonood.
It's okay. Be happy.
Hi. So ayan guys.
Waiting for your
Waiting
turn.
for my turn. First time kinakabahan ako. Kasi wala silang yung practice na ganun. So,
Yun. Yun ang babarilin nila, yung tinatapon nila.
This is blue
Yeah.
one,
how many pieces we can
two. See?
do? Okay. Then,
Then you take up. When you take up, this is close.
close.
When you need to open, this is right
Okay.
and down.
Okay.
After, take your shoulder.
Then,
Take your shoulder.
how I will, if I can shoot.
You take your shoulder. Good. Yes. Put your face. This is. Yeah. You see this line.
Okay.
Magkakapalitan na kayo ng mukha
red
niya.
one. Yes. After you moving the target. Follow. Put
So that means the red one is the one.
this is the you see their area to red one to target.
Okay.
Okay, just one topic now. Excuse me. I feel what you feel to your shoulder.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, shoot.
Ayan, so grabe nakakaloka guys. Masyadong mabigat. Tas gumaganon siya dito. Tsugs! Ayan, so itatry niya na ngayon. Okay. Oh my God! Nakakagulat siya.
Don't afraid, don't afraid. Just fall away and up.
Don't... sawakan mo ng maayos yung ano
Don't afraid, fall away and up. Shoot. Again. Again.
Okay, sorry.
Fall away and up. Shoot. Whoa.
Ang galing niya!
Fall away. Shoot.
Ano ko siya? Charot ang yabang na kaagad ang karo.
Marunong kang makinig.
She will kill you today.
Yeah.
Does the left eye?
Fall away and up, huh?
Go.
Fall away. Shoot.
You lost.
Try fast.
Very low.
Shoot before dropping.
Okay,
The
okay.
target go up.
When you target up.
Close left eye. Ah.
The ball will come from there?
You see the target?
Ah, okay.
Touch under the target and shoot. Look, close left eye. Open right eye. Wow, good, perfect.
Perfect, hindi naman tinamaan perfect.
Takot na siya. Takot ka na?
Ano ba ganito na?
Oo. Papasok mo lang dyan. Ikaw nang next, ah. Ay, nisita ba? Oh my gosh. Whole body ka, Ems, to, ha?
The same. Fall away and up, huh?
Go.
Go.
Wow!
Yes, boss.
Ready?
Ayan to mga kalaban ni Antoinette. Oh. Wow.
From where? Ay! Sorry.
Go.
Yes.
Same brother.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Ready? Ba't mong ka?
Anong feeling? Ay! Buti ng plastic na lang to.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga.
Old pirates, yes, they rob I. Sold I to the merchant ship.
Update lang guys. Nakalibre kami ng kape.
Minutes
So,
after
guys,
they took
update.
I
Masakit siya dito.
from the
Super.
bottomless
Masakit siya. Siguro bukas magkakaroon siya ng pasa. Pero yung experience niya, hindi nakaka-addict siya. Babalik tayo dito for the next archery.
We
Or kaya pag meron ng
followed
pistol.
in this
Try niyo siya dito,
generation.
guys. Invite them, brother.
Come again and we'll sell shooting.
Okay, thank you. Up here.
Welcome.
Oh.
Yun lang ang
Ayan,
yung mga
guys.
challenges. One of the challenges.
Is that
Mahirap maghanap pag wala kayong car, mahirap maghanap ng Uber, mahirap
medyo
kayong
malayo
malocate.
kasi.
Masyado kasi siyang malayo siya sa kabihasnan. Nasa dulo na kami ng Doha.
Ayan. So pag pumunta kayo dito, guys, mag-book na kayo ng sasakyan, tapos magpasundo na lang kayo.
None but I was
Mga 1 hour lang naman kayo.
have no fear for
Hi guys! So ayan, nakauwi na kami from Lusail Shooting Camp. At saka marami akong hindi na-record na mga videos na mga importanteng information. Kaya isa-summarize ko na lang. So, pag gusto nyong pumunta doon, i-book nyo lang sa Uber, Lusail Shooting Camp or Shooting Range. Tapos magbabayad kayo sa Uber ng around 30 to 40. Basta total ng nabayaran namin back and forth is around 70 reals. Tapos yung bayad naman dun sa camp, pipili kayo kung ilang bullets ang gusto nyo. Pwedeng 12 bullets, pero yung binayaran namin is 100 reals. 25 bullets na yun. Pwede kayong maghiraman ng mga kasama nyo sa 25 bullets na yun. And then, yun lang. Sana matry nyo. Masayang experience. Tsaka, nakaka-addict siya. Tapos, pipili kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Pag sinabi niyang shotgun, ibig sabihin yun yung shotgun. Kasi merong air gun at saka meron din silang archery. So, yun yung trinay namin is yung shotgun. And then, yun lang guys. So, masaya siyang experience. Sana matry din ninyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video and sana may nakuha kayong info kung gusto nyong matry doon. Kaya thank you so much for watching guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more gala videos here in Doha. Bye!